Light industries are like the busy bees of our economy, constantly in motion and always productive. They are always buzzing, making things we use every day, from the simplest items to more complex products. These industries get their name because they use lighter materials and don't need huge factories. Instead, they focus on efficiency and precision. Think of bakeries making fresh bread or workshops crafting beautiful furniture. These are perfect examples of light industries at work. Light industries are essential because they provide us with a wide range of products. They cater to our daily needs and enhance our quality of life. From the clothes we wear to the electronics we rely on, these industries touch every aspect of our lives. They are integral to our modern existence. They keep our homes furnished, our kitchens stocked, and our lives comfortable. Without them, our daily routines would be much harder. Without light industries, our world would be a much different place. The convenience and variety we enjoy today would be significantly reduced. We wouldn't have the same choice, the same conveniences, or the same access to everyday items that we often take for granted. Imagine a world without these everyday essentials. These industries are the unsung heroes of our economy, quietly working behind the scenes to make our lives better. They deserve recognition for their invaluable contributions. Imagine a giant factory with towering smokestacks churning out massive machines and heavy equipment. That's heavy industry. Now picture a smaller, cleaner facility where skilled workers assemble intricate electronics or sew colorful fabrics. That's light industry. Heavy industries are like the giants of the industrial world. They require huge investments, consume vast amounts of energy, and produce large, durable goods like cars, ships, and machinery. Light industries, on the other hand, are more agile and adaptable. While heavy industries focus on large-scale production, light industries specialize in creating a diverse range of consumer goods. This includes everything from clothing and footwear to food products and small appliances. Both types of industries are crucial to a thriving economy, but they play distinct roles. The textile industry is one of the oldest and most important light industries. Since the dawn of civilization, humans have been weaving fibers into fabrics, creating clothing, blankets, and countless other essential items. From the cotton fields to the spinning mills, the textile industry employs millions of people worldwide. This industry is a prime example of how light industries can transform raw materials into valuable products. It all starts with natural fibers like cotton, wool, or silk, which are then spun into yarn and woven or knitted into fabrics. These fabrics are then used to create a dazzling array of garments, from simple t-shirts to elaborate evening gowns. The textile industry also produces a wide range of other products, including carpets, upholstery, and industrial textiles. Section 4. Powering our modern lives, the electronics industry. The electronics industry is a relatively new addition to the world of light industries, but it has quickly become one of the most important. Over the past few decades, it has grown exponentially, transforming from a niche market into a global powerhouse. This dynamic industry is responsible for the amazing gadgets that have revolutionized the way we live, work, and communicate. From smartphones and laptops that fit in our pockets, and bags to televisions and gaming consoles that bring entertainment into our homes, electronics have become an integral part of our daily lives. We rely on them for everything from communication and work to entertainment and education. The electronics industry is driven by innovation, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with microchips, circuits, and software. Engineers and designers work tirelessly to create new technologies that make our devices more efficient and powerful. This constant evolution has led to smaller, faster, and more powerful devices that connect us to the world in ways unimaginable just a few decades ago. The pace of change is staggering, with new advancements emerging almost daily. The electronics industry is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the endless possibilities of light industries. It showcases how far we've come and hints at the incredible future that lies ahead. Section 5. The ripple effect. Economic benefits of light industries. Light industries play a vital role in a healthy economy, acting as engines of growth and job creation. Unlike heavy industries, which often require massive investments and specialized labor, light industries are more accessible to entrepreneurs and small businesses. This lower barrier to entry fosters competition, innovation, and economic diversification. Light industries are also major employers, providing livelihoods for millions of people worldwide. From factory workers and artisans to designers and engineers, these industries offer a wide range of employment opportunities, contributing to social stability and economic empowerment. Moreover, light industries often serve as a stepping stone for developing economies, helping them move up the value chain and achieve sustainable growth. Section 6, looking ahead, future trends and opportunities. The future of light industries is brimming with possibilities. As we look ahead, it's clear that the integration of advanced technologies will play a pivotal role in shaping the landscape of these industries. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovation and automation in sectors like textiles and electronics. Automated machines and robotic arms are becoming more prevalent, streamlining production processes and increasing efficiency. Three-dimensional printing, for example, has the potential to revolutionize manufacturing, enabling the creation of customized products on demand. This technology allows for rapid prototyping and the production of complex designs that were previously impossible or too costly to achieve. Nanotechnology is another game changer, promising to create new materials with enhanced properties such as lighter and stronger fabrics or more efficient solar panels. This could lead to significant advancements in product durability and performance. The rise of e-commerce and global trade is also creating new opportunities for light industries to reach customers worldwide. With the increasing demand for fast and reliable delivery, companies are investing in advanced logistics and supply chain solutions. However, light industries also face challenges, such as rising labor costs in some regions and the need to adapt to evolving consumer preferences. Companies must stay agile and responsive to market trends to remain competitive. Sustainability is also becoming increasingly important, as consumers demand eco-friendly products and ethical manufacturing practices. Companies are now focusing on reducing their environmental footprint and adopting renewable energy sources to meet these expectations. Section 7, Conclusion. A bright future for light industries. Light industries are the backbone of a diverse and thriving economy, providing us with essential goods, creating jobs and driving innovation. From the clothes we wear to the gadgets we rely on, these industries touch every aspect of our lives. As we look to the future, light industries are well positioned to embrace new technologies, meet evolving consumer demands, and continue to play a vital role in shaping our world. By supporting sustainable practices, fostering innovation, and nurturing a skilled workforce, we can ensure a bright future for light industries and the countless people they employ.